Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever opened DoorDash and wondered how much money you've actually spent over time? It's something most people don't think about while placing quick orders, but those small purchases can quietly add up. Whether you're trying to track your expenses, manage your budget, or just satisfy your curiosity, checking your total spending on DoorDash isn't as direct as you might expect. The app doesn't show one single total amount, so you need to go through your order history to get a clear idea. Once you know where to look, the process becomes simple and only takes a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to find and calculate how much you've spent on DoorDash step by step. Try these. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app and tap on your profile icon. Step 2. Select the Orders or Order History section from the menu. Step 3. Tap on each past order to view its total amount, including fees and taxes. Step 4. Note down or remember the total amount from each order. Step 5. Add all the order totals together to calculate your total spending. Step 6. Review the final amount to understand how much you've spent on DoorDash.